Hello there, this is Luke Mears, student number ST 2017-8999, and I'm here today to talk about my code for my game, about a guy lost in an asteroid field. So let's begin with this. This is the first thing off the start. Game doesn't like to launch. By doesn't launch, it means, well, I'll just show you. Attach. That comes up, and when that comes up, fucked. It is not. It goes down. Try everything to fix it. Cannot fix it. But yeah, let's go through all the main component. This is the main. It's just a simple code, just if go game H, which is this. This runs everything on it. Don't mind the flashlight, that will be a bit annoying, but it needs to get the light in. Don't mind my finger, which goes down to here, which talks about, hang on, can I turn this light off? No, I can't. Which talks about all the stuff like all the void, run loops, everything like this. You go down a bit further, creates all the class, has all the things already like labeled out to help in, like all sprites comment down, all goes into this, which should make it a bit easier. So again, for my finger, go down like further, talk about like all the ship stuff. Let's talk about the ship CCP. This is how you control the ship with W, S, A, and D. With a set move forward of 300, should make it a bit quick. And a ship, hang on, let me get this thing out of the way. Ship at void time, this is all good. Because this is all good and happiness. My happiness. Sorry about that, my mind gone a bit void. But yeah, it also talks about how the game's like functioning wise, how you protect yourself with the lasers, guns, and it goes from that, you go from that into, let's go into ship H, which goes into actor H. This will be the playable character, and it allows you to control the script from ships.cpp. Random H. Random, this is just randomly generating in the sprites for the asteroids that I've made, which will be easier for taking guys to a random spawning area for the asteroid itself. And now let's move over to the sprites themselves. With them, the sprites are the ones that you probably will see in the document, in the files that will go over to you. And with that, it can it'll allow you to float, help them, make them all work out. Let's also go and check on another one. Which one will we go and check on? And let's go to circle components H, which is including maths. So let's go and asteroids. Let's look at the asteroids one. These are your main all the main things that you've got to avoid, like in my game, which is quite fun to do. But again, I would show it off to you, but doesn't like it for some random reason. Now let's do one final one. I already talked about game CCP. Let's talk about, no, we'll talk about ship. Hang on, so component CCP. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about how this game kind of just does is something else. Like talk about the vectors, return where to get position. This is talking about how you loop the game itself. Well, with that, I would have showed you the game, but something's gone wrong in moving it. I don't know what has, but thank you again for listening to my video about my code about my game.